Look at that wig right there. I really did that. As you can see, that's the end result, which took a while to get there. But y'all are going to see the process. And it was a long one. So let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a 13x5 T-part wig from Unice hair. It came in this box. Comes with the wig, of course, and this little pouch, and 2 wig caps, a lace headband, these lashes, they are pretty full.
Psychopath.
This, I'm not really sure what this is. I can open it for you guys. It is a makeup brush. They also gave me this thing. It says Unice on it. It looks like something that you can hang in your room, kind of like an ornament or something. Really pretty. Let's get to unboxing this wig. So this is in the color dark red, and it is 14 inches. Here's the lace. There goes the part. The lace is like, I didn't say it's HD, more like transparent, I would say. And it has